Well, how is everybody today? I had a real lucky day today. I was actually, well, usually I take off on Friday and don't even drive Uber. But I thought today being the beginning of a holiday weekend, maybe a few people would be going to the airport this morning. So thought maybe I'd catch a couple of good paying rides. So I decided to get up this morning and go out. And I picked up a $10 ride, which is pretty good, getting me toward the place where I like to go. And then I got hit for a 256-minute ride, which really meant that I went from Riverview, Florida to Fort Lauderdale. And I was real happy to get that. It was XL, which paid a little extra, even though it was only one person and not very much luggage. Guy was paying for his girlfriend to come spend the weekend. So worked out real well. $366 for 3.5 hours. Subtract out $89 and some change tip he put on there, I guess, just to round it out. So anyway, that was a real good day. So what I'm going to do, since I got smart last time I went on a long trip, what I'm going to do is do a little bit of fishing, and I'll show you why I'm able to do that. Okay, so we can do some Uber fishing today, because down under this town and country, and I already removed the floor mat, but down under this town and country where this seat folds up and goes down into that hole, I have started keeping me some fishing stuff. Yes sir, there's a rod and a reel. Here's a fishing vest I just bought that I like a whole lot. That has plenty of tackle in it, mostly jigs and stuff I keep there. And here's a box of plugs, and I'm going to try to throw a couple of these today. So let's see how good I do with some of that. Don't look now, Ethel, but I think there's an airplane down there in the middle of this canal. Boy, that's some kind of place for an airplane, ain't it? Now there's something you don't see every day. All right, now there we go. Finally found something these dudes wanted to eat. This is a nice one too. Yeah, largemouth. It's not too big. He'd be big enough if I had a cooler. Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. Come to daddy. There we go. All right, puppy. I love you, but you gotta go back. Alrighty, daddy. So there's us a gator down there sunning. What would the day be without a gator? Hey, sleepyhead, wake up. And we got us 2 gators out there. You gators are edible, you know that, don't you? Oh, there are 3 gators. 1, 2, 3. They don't seem to be very scared of people. All right, gators, have a good day. Grow up to be big and strong. Okay, I'm calling it a day today. I didn't catch with that one fish, and then I broke my line off, and I don't feel like fixing it. And let me see, I just put my route in here. According to Google, I have 2 hours and 47 minutes yet to get home, and it's 3 o'clock. So I've messed around enough. I just stopped at the Big Cypress National Preserve and got me a magnet. I collect these things when I go somewhere. So that was it for the day. That's what I'm calling a real good Uber day. Caught an Uber fish, did some Uber sightseeing, made some decent Uber money. So everybody love your day. See you next time.